In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract images from a PDF and completely for free. Now, the website which we're going to be using is called TinyWow, and you can get here by going to tinywow.com. Now, on here, they have hundreds of free tools that you can use. They have tools for PDF, videos, image converter tools, other tools, and AI as well. Now, if you want to use their extract image tool, all we have to do is type in is extract images. Then it's going to be this tool just here. Now, what I'll do is link this page down in the description as well. Now, from here, all we have to do is take our PDF file, then grab it, drag it onto the page, like so. It's going to take a few seconds to do its thing and extract all of the images from that PDF. And once it's done, it's going to look a little something like this. Now, from here, you can actually download all of the images together, or you can hover over any one of the images and just click on the little download icon. But that's how to extract images from a PDF and completely for free. Now, if you want to watch more of my TinyWow tutorials, then click right here and watch this playlist.